Hello, welcome to MySQL tutorial series for beginners. This is going to be my first video in this series, okay? If you don't know what is database, if you don't know what is SQL, MySQL and stuff, you don't need to worry about that. I'm going to take you through some of the basic concepts of database to advance. In this video, I'm going to cover some of the basic stuffs and introduction to database. Now let's first look at what is database. A database is a collection of information that is stored in your computer. It could be information about a person or a record or a company, anything. Database can consist of tables and they store informations. For example, I'll show you a table. You can see the table right here. This is going to be a table for bank accounts. This is just an example. Here you can see the first column of account numbers, the second name, address and phone numbers. Here are different account numbers, different names, addresses and phone numbers. You can store thousands of data to a database. You can store tons of data. For example, there is okay, I want to show you the first account number that belongs to John from USA, and his phone number is given as and in the same way you can see that no account numbers are similar. Why? I'll tell you a bit later. There can be two Johns from USA, but there can be two similar account numbers. Now I want to show you something called primary key. Now let's see what primary key is. A primary key is something that helps you to make your row or a record unique in a table. Let's look at the previous table. If you apply primary key to this account number, then no two account numbers can be similar. That makes whole row unique. If you didn't understand, if you didn't quite get me what I'm talking about, then you don't need to worry about that, because I'm going to cover a lot more in the upcoming videos, so I'll make you feel easier. Now let's see what SQL is. SQL is structured query language. It's a language that databases understand. For example, if you want to add a record or delete a record or update a record, you can use SQL. You can't simply use English language to make databases understand what you're actually talking about. There comes SQL. You need to learn it, and I'll show you more. Okay, I'll take you to advance. And now let's see what is MySQL. MySQL is a software, a tool that helps us to manipulate SQL, that helps us to manipulate databases. Okay, it's free, easy to use, and we are going to use MySQL for our tutorial. Now for the last time, I'm going to tell you something. In the next video we are going to cover how to install and set up MySQL server in your computer. Okay, now I want you to subscribe to my channel to get updates from me every day. I keep uploading new videos every day on how to code, on different stuffs. Okay, you can follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram so that you can ask me questions, and be sure I'll be answering all your questions, and I'll be helping you a lot. Thank you.